What's up, fellas? We got a trade recap for today's video. Pretty early. Just took the trade literally like 30, 45 minutes ago. So we're going to go over it. What I had in the market, what I was seeing, everything was pretty. I'm going to do my trade recaps a little different. I'm going to like actually review the market for the day instead of like just the trade. So coming into the day, obviously going to be bullish. We're sitting at all-time highs. We want to take price to all-time highs. What I like to do in the beginning is just measure prices. So 0.31% as NASDAQ is 0.49. So what am I going to take? I'm going to take ES if I take a bullish trade. Coming into market open, I pretty much just wanted to see maybe price go a little bit lower before going higher. And then I wanted to see a nice continuation up, break even here, take profit at the high. Maybe after sweeping out of this low or this low, little flip. But pretty much just wanted to see bulls for today. So let's see if we get anything. Wiki, nothing there. Nothing. So this is a trade I would not take. Stop loss would have to be like all the way down here. It's negative R. Too close to the internal high as well. We literally could just sweep this high real quick, literally like that, and then dump. And you don't want to go break even there. What the fuck is this, dude? You're literally going to get break even in an instant. So wouldn't have done that. Didn't want to take this trade. What I want to see here is a pullback to maybe this 5 minute and then continue up on like the 1 minute. So we were pretty much just waiting. This was a crazy candle. We got a nice sweep of these lows. Also, I want to recognize at this point we have taken out this low on NQ. So it means we have an SMT, a little divergence with the indices. So a flip off of this would be very nice and something I would expect to see here, which we end up getting. And I take my close on the 5 minute, take my entry right here, my stop loss right here, take profit up here a little bit. And I entered with 7 micros on MES. Bang, stop loss, TP, and pretty much just waiting for this. End up gets pretty choppy, and I'm like, all right, I don't really expect this to play out. Then bam, bro, random crazy pump. How much is this? Whoops. Fucking 46 ticks on ES, which is a lot. 11.5 points in 2 minutes, and then we dumped 2. It's not even the whole thing. This was absurd, bro. So once I saw this on the 5 minute, I was like, all right, there's no way. I need to go break even, and we ended up getting break even on the trade. And it's pretty much just dumped after, so it was a very lucky break even. You know, if we did not get this pump, I would not have been break even. We didn't even get a crazy one on NQ. So like if I took this on NQ and that was my break even, I'm fucked. So we got very lucky with that. The one thing I think I did wrong in this is I should have waited for price to break over these highs to then get a retrace. So maybe something like we see this, what I would have really liked to see, or what I think would have been nice, like break above, pull back, and then we go. And I would have taken my entry like here. Would have had better RR, would have been a better break even, and I think it would just would have played out. So something I definitely journaled. I already journaled. But as you can see, 0.7, nothing. Performance, I'll show you guys everything. I don't really care. It's been a while on this account, so I kind of need to lock something in pretty soon. Gonna go for a winning day, just so then I can get some more accounts. And let me know if you guys got any recommendations in the comments for what accounts I should buy. Because Top Step BMS, I like no consistency when I'm on the funded zone because I like to risk heavy on the first trades, as we can see on this one. Risk $1,000 and 500, and then I made 15, 14. Like consistency would just be cooked if I was actually on an account. So we don't want to do that. So let me know if you guys got any accounts in the comments, but pretty short trade recap today. Let me know if y'all got any questions, and of course, free Discord in my bio. If you guys need any help, open to help. I don't charge anything. I'm not profitable. I'm not a mentor, but I love to help beginners, guide them in the right direction. So let me know. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.